Wishing everyone a good day. Today I am going to make the chili chicken. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, keep it subscribed. Try it yourself. This is Chinese food. Well, let's get started. First, let's marinate the chicken. Add salt, black pepper powder, chili powder, oyster sauce, mustard cream, soya sauce, very well. Add eggs, corn flour, mix well. Now the oil is hot. Add chicken. Do not fry for too long. Now let's make the sauce. Add oil. Chop garlic and ginger. You can use garlic and ginger paste. Add chili pods. Add onion wedges. Mix little. Add 3 colored bell peppers. Mix little. Add chili pieces. Add tomato paste. Mix little. Add chili powder. Oyster sauce. Soya sauce. Mix little. Add tomato. Now I add the fried chicken. Spring onion. Add little hot water. Mix. Add chicken stock powder, black pepper powder. Mix. Add tomato ketchup and sesame oil. Mix. Now the food is ready. Thanks for watching.